I remember Mr. Yang Zhenning once said, when the scientist is conducting research and he discovers some truly marvelous phenomena in nature, he would experience soul-stirring sensation. The feeling at that moment, I think, in my opinion, is very close to the most sincere religious faith. Professor, may I ask, how do you personally understand the most sincere and heartfelt form of religious faith?
The most sincere religious faith, in my opinion, is an emotion that comes from the deepest part of one's heart, and it serves as the driving force that motivates us to practice. We must wholeheartedly hope that through our practice we can realize and verify the laws of the entire universe as well as the karmic laws of the mind. This is what being wholehearted means. This is what sincere Buddhism is about.
Then, Khenpo Rinpoche, what is your view on this issue?
I personally think that Yang Zhenning, as a well-known Buddhist and also as a scientist, whether it is about the things that have been recently discovered as a scientist or about his deeply held, genuine and sincere faith in Buddhism, I believe that in fact, faith can be divided into two types, right? Faith and superstition. What we call right faith means that we must believe in it. If we are to believe in it, then our belief must conform to objective law and be consistent with objective facts. Generally, scientists also have this kind of approach. For example, the Buddhist view of emptiness. I think that when many scientists make discoveries, they are also astonished. For instance, there was a Danish scientist who won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922. He passed away in 1962. The year I came into this world was the year he passed away. This renowned and influential scientist once thoughtfully said, if you study quantum physics thoroughly, you will find it absolutely astonishing. If you are not astonished or amazed, then you have not truly understood quantum physics. So what he really meant, in my opinion, is similar to what we say in Buddhism. Ultimately, all phenomena, not even the tiniest particle exists. Everything's empty naturally. When you examine it from the perspective of physics, in the end, this world is such that not even a single string exists, not even a single field exists. At that point, one has truly understood the ultimate theory of quantum physics. That's why Einstein said that all of time and space are in fact merely illusions. Only when one directly perceives the true nature of reality can one experience this profound astonishment. Actually, these two viewpoints align with the Madhyamaka philosophy in Buddhism. According to Nagarjuna Bodhisattva, when you observe all phenomena with wisdom, they are like dreams and illusions. Upon ultimate examination, none of the dharmas truly exist. This realization makes one feel rare and extraordinary. So I think these two perspectives coincide perfectly. What he calls the most sincere faith is actually the understanding of the ultimate reality of all phenomena. Perhaps scientists also find this quite astonishing. Some certain principles in religion may also completely align with the true nature of things.
Since nothing truly exists, why are people attached to things?
In reality, nothing exists. But before we actually reach that state, as you might expect, we will still be attached. But once we truly reach that point, we won't be attached, including you and me.
That's a very advanced level.
I'm talking about a high level, as scientists speak from an advanced perspective.